Okay, go.
Ugh! The Barbie.
I guess someone's been naughty.
Mom, can you have this? I hate that.
I got one, now you got one. You had a better reaction though. I smashed my box as hard as I could against things.
No, you didn't get one.
Oh, yes I did.
Where?
It was under the tree, so I smashed it against things. As hard
Why'd you get a Barbie?
Maybe it's been naughty.
I know who's this going to.
Who?
You still had a better reaction than I did. I
I
smashed
think
it.
Charlie's going to have this. 'Cause I haven't this.
Santa Claus didn't bring that, honey.
What?
Me and Dad gave it to you as a joke.
Hey.
Oh, who's that?
Because didn't you specifically ask Santa not to bring you a Barbie or anything pink?
Yep.
I asked for no clothes. Because I feel like I didn't